Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless handheld massagers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the HoMedics Percussion Massager. This is a lightweight handheld massager that will be very easy to carry for people who travel frequently. Weighing not more than 2.5 pounds, it will be very easy to use as you travel. You will also appreciate that the massager has been made in an ergonomic design for simple gripping and handling. Apart from that, the massager also comes with interchangeable massage nodes, which allows you to customize the massage experience. The powerful motor for this massager allows it to make 3,100 pulses in 1 minute. One of the good things for this handheld massager is that its intensity can be easily adjusted in order to match your body's needs. Buy with confidence now that the device comes with a manufacturer's warranty of 2 years. What's more, you are guaranteed a refund of money within 30 days if you aren't satisfied. Moving on, at number 4, we have the MOICO Handheld Back Massager. This deep tissue massager features an ergonomically designed handle which is long enough. For this reason, you will be able to reach the shoulder blades and the lower back. Apart from that, it has a super quiet operation to make sure that you enjoy a relaxing massage as you watch the TV. This massager also comes with a lightweight which allows you to enjoy a massage anytime and anywhere. To help you soothe soreness and also release tension, the massager comes with 6 interchangeable attachments. Moreover, it has 12 adjustable vibration patterns and 10 customizable speeds that allow you to customize the massage experience. After running for 15 minutes, this massager will automatically shut off, which helps to prevent overheating. Its high-quality motor, on the other hand, allows it to make up to 3,200 pulses every minute for deep tissue penetration. At number 3, we have the Tymo Handheld Back Massager. One of the things that this massager prides itself on is the powerful motor combined with the 5 intensities. The handheld massager will surely give therapeutic massage, especially on the neck and the back. With 5 adjustable intensities and 3 massage modes, it will be possible to customize the massage according to your needs. What's more, it comes at a relatively affordable price. Given that this massager has a cordless design, it means that you will easily take it anywhere. Apart from that, it produces some soothing warmth that is going to melt all your stress away. The massager has also been designed to automatically shut down after 15 minutes, which will help to prevent instances of overheating. This is a risk-free purchase, and so you should buy with ultimate confidence. At number 2, we have the Renfo Cordless Full Body Massager. This is a deep tissue massager that will relieve pain in the entire body. It uses percussion technology to help relax and also relieve pain on the feet, shoulders, arms, and legs. This cordless massager is therefore ideal for a healthy life. You will also appreciate that it has been FCC and FDA certified to guarantee your safety. This massager will serve as a great gift idea to your loved ones. The massager operates on an inbuilt battery that is also rechargeable with power retention ability of 140 minutes on just a single charge. Given that it has a lightweight design, you will enjoy the convenience of carrying it everywhere you go. It operates on a very powerful motor, giving it the ability to make 3,600 pulses every minute. What's more, it has been programmed to shut off automatically after 20 minutes to prevent overheating. And finally, at number 1, we have the VIVREAL Cordless Handheld Back Massager. If you are suffering from aches, knots and muscle tensions, this portable and handheld massager will be a good solution. It comes with 6 interchangeable nodes that allow to target different parts of the body suffering from aches and pains. Another thing you will like about this massager is its cordless and rechargeable design, allowing you to take it anywhere. This massager also allows you to customize the speed and intensity depending on what you need. It also operates on a very powerful motor that can produce up to 3,200 pulses in just 1 minute. What's more, it will automatically turn off after every 15 minutes to prevent overheating. At its affordable price, you will have all the reasons to buy this massager. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.